Hello and welcome to the REIQ Wrap. Let's look at the Gladstone market today. Gladstone has been faced with some very difficult challenges since the mining downturn and the closure of the LNG plant. Overall, the Gladstone housing market is classed as falling and the unit market is steady. The median house price in Gladstone for the June quarter was $331,250, a drop of 6.7% since the last quarter. Compared with 12 months ago, the annual median house price has dropped 6.9% to $346,500. Other house market indicators are also weak. The median days on market for houses have pushed out to 79 days from 70 this time last year. Vendor discounting for houses has moved from 8.1% to 9.6% in 12 months. This makes Gladstone the second largest vendor discounted market in Queensland. Looking at the unit market now, we don't have a quarterly median unit price for June because there weren't enough sales in that quarter. However, we can look at the annual price, which is drawn from sales data over the past 12 months. And the good news is that the annual median unit price has increased by 1.8% to $280,000. Unfortunately, this is almost 30% lower than it was 5 years ago. Looking at the time it takes for a unit to sell in the Gladstone market, we can see that the days on market for units have almost doubled in the past 12 months, increasing from 68 to 117 days in May 2016. This is the largest days on market for units in Queensland. Turning our attention to the rental market, and there is a small glimmer of good news for this market. The vacancy rate, which was at 11.3% in March, has fallen in the June quarter and again in the September quarter and now sits at 8.9%. The median weekly rents have fallen for 3-bedroom houses. 2-bedroom units have also fallen from $240 to $160 a week. Looking more generally at the Gladstone market, we know that this is an area that is facing many challenges, driven by the contracting jobs market. However, there are some major projects in the pipeline for this region, and the state government is focusing much of its jobs creation efforts here. Also, the price of coal is rising again and mines have already begun hiring, which is a good sign for this region. Naturally, the REIQ hopes the government's efforts to diversify and strengthen the local economy in Gladstone will bear some fruit. Thanks for watching and see you next time.